Right.
It's not?
Didn't even melt the cheese.
What you got there? Tell Uncle Rolly what you got. Elliot.
So I just put it in.
Elliot, what you got there? No, we don't want to. Yeah, we'll just have to put it in the microwave. Really? Is that so? Come on over here. Come here. Show me what you got. What you got?
Oh, some gloves. And an umbrella.
There more gloves? I got those gloves.
Thank you.
Do you want to put this one on your foot?
I'll put the glove back.
You want to sit down and put it on your foot?